India on Thursday successfully conducted a test launch of the intermediate-range Agni-Prime missile from a rail-based mobile launcher system. This next-generation missile is designed to cover a range up to 2,000 kilometers and is equipped with various advanced features. This marks the first time such a launch has been carried out using a specially designed platform integrated with the National Railway Network. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh confirmed the successful test in a statement on X, calling it first of its kind launch that demonstrates India's growing strategic defense capabilities. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has also congratulated the Defense Research and Development Organization and the Strategic Forces Command and the armed forces on the successful test of the intermediate-range Agni-Prime missile. This successful flight test has put India in the group of selected nations having capabilities that have developed canister launch system from the mobile rail network. The report News Now.